Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the watch and phone so pairing works. This saves time. First, charge the watch to at least 50% and power it on. Hold the side button for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Then, install the Eyebrow watch app and sign in. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone. Make sure the phone stays within 3 meters of the watch because a close connection prevents intermittent drops. Once the prerequisites are set, open the app and tap Add Device to begin scanning. Select your Eyebrow watch model when it appears. When a numeric code shows on both devices, confirm it to establish the secure link. Make sure to accept all permission prompts, notifications, health data, and Bluetooth access, because the app needs them to sync features. If a firmware update is offered, install it immediately. Updates fix bugs and improve. To finish, personalize settings in the app. Choose a watch face, enable the notifications you want, and set health sync frequency. Then force a manual sync to verify steps, heart rate, and alerts are flowing to the app. This confirms a successful connection. If something goes wrong, the quickest fix is to restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth, then retry pairing. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the app and repeat pairing. This clears corrupted app data and often resolves stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.